A very fresh good morning, dear students. My name is Khushbu and I welcome you back on this virtual platform. So, students, this time our topic is totally different. As you can see, there are a lot of trees, flowers, and see a lot of neatness, cleanliness is there. So, what we can do to keep our environment neat and clean? Yes, there are 3 R. The 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means we should reduce the use of those things which are harmful for our nature. Reuse are the things which we should reuse it again when these things become old or of no use, so we should reuse it in another way. And recycle the recyclable things. See, the plastic bag. We should not use plastic bag as it is harmful for our nature. So we must reduce the use of the plastic bags, and instead of that we must use cloth or jute bag while shopping. Similarly, there is a lot of kitchen waste while in the kitchen, like peels of the vegetables or fruits, or these kinds of things are there. So, this kitchen waste should be kept separately and should be sent for vermicompost. Vermicompost is the product of the decomposition process using various species of worms to create a mixture of decomposition. So, we should reduce kitchen waste by converting them into vermicompost. Similarly, while taking a shower, we must save water by taking short showers. Now, see, this boy is brushing his teeth, but he has kept the tap open. So, we must save water by closing taps while brushing teeth. Next, reuse. How we can do the reuse? See, this boy do not need these old toys anymore. So rather than throwing it, we can use these for donation. Your old can be someone's new. See, this other little boy is so much happy while seeing these toys. You can donate old clothes and toys so that they can be reused. Now these gifts are to be wrapped. So we must use old newspapers for wrapping gifts, as by these we can reuse the newspapers. Now this boy is playing with remote control car. But what happened this? His remote control car is not working. So he threw the batteries. It's really very bad. Should not throw the batteries. We must use rechargeable batteries, as there are various rechargeable batteries, so that the batteries can be charged and we can reuse it again. Now the boy is eating an ice cream. But what he did? He threw the ice cream stick. We should keep our surroundings clean and should not throw like this. We can store these ice cream sticks and other decoration material, and we can make a greeting card for friends, relatives, your parents. You can easily make a greeting card using these things. See, ice cream sticks, old decorations, etc. can be reused to make greeting cards. Now the recycle process. How the things can be recycled. See, old magazines, used notebooks, newspapers. These are not of any use to us, but we can give them to the scrap dealers so that they can collect it in bulk and send it to the recycling plant. And in the recycling plant, they recycle the paper. Now see, the TV is damaged. If you remember that during festival season, or if you visit to the mall, you will see there are various exchange offers. Give your old TV and get a new discount in a new TV. So what do? They collect the TV in a bulk and send it to the recycling plants, and after that, recycled glass, recycled metal, or recycled non metal is there so that they can use it for making new TV or making new electronic devices. So, if we reduce, reuse, and recycle, we can live in a cleaner, safer, and happier environment. Now, let's read a short story of the silk cotton tree. The silk cotton tree is also known as simul tree. You all are aware about badminton and shuttlecock. You know that we use it for playing the game. So, if you take a shuttlecock and paint it a bright crimson, crimson means a dark red color, then you will get an idea of what the flower of the simul tree looks like. You can see in the image as well, it is looking like a shuttlecock and it is colored bright red. So this color is known as crimson color. Simul tree looks very beautiful in spring season. It is a tall, leafless tree covered with masses of crimson flowers. Students, we have seen so many trees which is covered with a lot of leaves and it is having flowers as well. But this simul tree is very beautiful in spring season as the tree is not having any leaves but a lot of crimson flowers, as you can see in the image as well. It sheds its leaves for only a short period as just before it flowers. Means before the flowers come on this tree, just before that time, for a short period of time, this tree sheds its leaves. During the summer months, the seeds are covered with white cotton and it is blown far by the slightest breeze. As you know that cotton is very light in weight, so with a very slightest breeze it can blown far, it can move far. So the seeds are covered with white cotton. This cotton is not suitable for spinning and weaving into cloth, but it is used for stuffing pillows and cushion. Thank you for watching the video. I hope now you understood about simul tree, its characteristics, how it looks in spring season and in summer season. Have a nice day. Also, do not forget to mention your name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. Like and subscribe the channel.